A minimum one joint conductor pipe must be installed offline while preparing the well site and prior to move the rig in. The size of the conductor pipe can be 40 inches, 30 inches, 20 inches, or 18.58 inches, depending on the overall casing program. Some sites don't require a conductor hole, and we just drill and the return is collected from the seller by the seller pump. The size of the conductor pipe varies according to their geographical locations. For example, a typical size for a conductor pipe is 18.58 inches or 20 inches in the Middle East. However, it might vary from 16 inches to 48 inches in diameter in other areas. The length of the conductor pipe is normally 40 feet to 300 feet. The running procedure of the conductor pipe is very simple. A temporary piece of casing with approximate length 20 feet to 26 feet will be placed through the center hole of the cellar. The contractor will select the diameter of this temporary casing depending on the diameter of the conductor pipe to be used. The temporary casing is placed by the driving unit. We have here a video for a conductor pipe being driven by a diesel hammer. For the first few feet, the ground is unconsolidated, so it doesn't take so many blows to drive the pipe. But as you know, the hardness and compactness of the ground increase with depth. So it will take more blows till we reach a predefined point, which is called refusal point. This point marks the depth at which driving the pipe should be stopped or we will collapse the casing. The refusal point depends on many factors: the formation, type of hammer. There are so many different hammer types out there. Each of them has a specific energy, which affects the number of blows per feet of the refusal point. Casing diameter. Conductor string can be driven after rig move and rig up operations by a diesel hammer. We have a video here that shows this operation. As you can see, we mark each foot on the pipe and count the blows required to drive this foot. For shallow wells being drilled in areas where shallow gases are not expected, or surface formation washouts are not likely to happen, we drive one joint of conductor pipe by the same portable rig used to drill the rat hole and mouse hole. The question now is, what are the potential hazards and possible solutions when running a conductor pipe? Damage to the ear due to high noise of the diesel hammer. Being struck by hoisting line or suspended drill or casing. The solutions are: wear personal protective equipment, earplugs, helmets, safety glasses, safety boots, and impact gloves. Keep employees away if they are not working at this job. We talked a lot about the conductor pipe, but we never mentioned the function of it. Let's give this a shot. The conductor pipes run from the surface to a shallow depth to protect near surface unconsolidated formations. Seal off shallow water zones, preventing contamination of these zones. It permits the circulation of the mud during the first drilling phase. It protects the surface of unconsolidated formations against erosion due to mud circulation, which could compromise the stability of the rig foundations. Conductor pipe protects subsequent casing strings from corrosion. It provides protection against shallow gas flows. Protects the foundation of the platform in offshore operation. This casing allows one or more BOPs to be mounted on it, or a diverter system if the setting depth of the conductor is shallow. This is all for now. I'll be happy if you shared with us your review for the course. And don't forget to ask us in the question and answer section. See you in the next lecture.